Hey there, this is Abby, and I'm making a video to show you a little trick that I use for posting things on Twitter. It's a known fact that when there's a picture, people click on it because they want to see what it's about before they click on the link. So I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to film this. I'm just using the free launcher. And I want to show you this this thing here. This is a snipping tool. Okay, I already snipped a picture of this. So what you do when you open it is, I think it's like built into my computer, but it's not. It's called snipping tool. So what you do is you click new. I'll just make a new one right now to show you. So you'll get this little crosshair thing, and then you just crop it, drag it, and crop it like that, and then you have a picture of it right there. And then you just go to save up here, you save the snip, and my computer's really slow right now. And then I put it in Twitter stuff because these are the things I'm posting on Twitter. You know, like I'll show you an example after I show you this. So it automatically goes to capture, so I'm just going to put it as Screencast-O-Matic. And then I'm going to save it into this, because I'm going to do a tweet about it after. Okay, so I suggest is do another snip, because this is one that really works really well is about video. So loads, I will show you. I'm going to do a snip of this video right here. So open this again, go new. Alright, maybe it's because I'm recording it or something. You just the frame of the video, whatever spot you want. Since it has subtitles and it says we're driving so much traffic to the sales page right now, I'm going to go with that. And then I'm going to save it. And I'm going to name it, I'm going to move this. I'll just put video 1 for now. I'm going to rename it later. Usually rename it like the title of the video. And then I'm going to minimize that. And then I'm just going to go to Twitter and I'm going to tweet it. Tweet, and then I'm going to say, I don't know, something like, check out this video I saw today. This company is one to watch. Then go here and add an emoji. Okay, so I put the eyes on there. And then I'll put something like, watch it here. And then I go like this. And then I go to the video. Put the title of the video here. And then go here. here and grab it. Okay, copy, and then I'm going to go here again and post it. Paste it. Okay. Here's the entire playlist. There. Because it is entire playlist, and then just put like some hashtags. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs. Oops. Entrepreneurship. And I guess that's about it. Oh, and you need the video, or the picture, sorry. I really don't like forgetting things, like adding things and like, because you can't edit tweets, which is ridiculous, but you can't. So here's the video, the snip. And then there we go. So I've been doing a few of these. I get more impressions on the ones with the pictures than just with the links. So that's been working out a little better. My pin tweet, and here's the one that I just did. So as the picture of the video, they might want to try to click on that to watch the video. But I say watch it here, and then I put the link. There we go. So that is my tip for today. So thanks for watching.